Hi everyone, today is Mahashivaratri. Mahashivaratri comes on the 14th night of Falguna month. Now I am going to sing Lingashtakam. Lingashtakam is a sloka to worship Shivamami. Brahma Muravisuraarchita lingam Nirmalabhasita shobhita lingam Janmaja dukkha vinashaka lingam Tat pranamami sada shivalingam Devamuni pravararchita lingam Kamadahana karunakara lingam Ravana darpa vinashana lingam Tat pranamami sada shivalingam Sarvasugandha sulepita lingam Buddhi vivardhana karana lingam Siddha surasura vandita lingam Tat pranamami sada shivalingam Kanaka mahamani bhusita lingam Phanipati vestita shobhita lingam Daksha suyagna vinashana lingam Tat pranamami sada shivalingam Kunkuma chandana lepita lingam Pankajahara sushobhita lingam Sanchita papa vinashana lingam Tat pranamami sada shivalingam Devaganarchita sevita lingam Bhavair bhakti bhiveva cha lingam Dinakara koti prabhakara lingam Tat pranamami sada shivalingam Ashtadaloparivestita lingam Sarvasya mudbhava karana lingam Ashtadaridra vinashana lingam Tat pranamami sada shivalingam Suraguru suravara pujita lingam Suravana pushpa sadarchita lingam Parat param paramatmaka lingam Tat pranamami sada shivalingam Lingashtakam idam punyam yaha patte shiva sannidhau Shivalokam mavapnoti Shivena saha modate. Om Namah Shivaya.